End of 2020. Brexit happened. UK left the EU, and whoever wasn't in the UK before that was not going to have another option to remain in the UK without visa. Adi joined us a little after the deadline, and that left him without having the right to work in the UK. With no settlement, he can just visit us for the time being. So he left. We took a break, but that doesn't mean we are giving up. We continued from where we left, start gluing the stringers, one by one, side by side, and carry on. We have the stringers attached with screws. Now is the time to remove it and glue it in place. It took a bit of work, and we were slowed down by the lovely Scottish weather. But with patience and dedication, as always, everything can be done. Couple of weeks later, we finally got our timber to start building a little platform to help with placing the strip planks. Made some plans, improvised a bit, and then we started, one side at a time. Having built a massive jig helped us, as we did not need to use any of the stringers or the ball heads as an anchor point for the platform. We are almost about to finish the platform, but then, due to a massive tooth pain, I ended up checking in myself to the hospital for a few days. Who knew that from a tooth pain you can stay in hospital for a few days? I didn't know that. Next time I'm gonna be more careful. I had to take a few weeks to recover, and then we continue. Another few weeks and you're finally here. Now the sides are ready and we can start plucking the bottom part of the hull. But before that, it's time to take a break and get back to Edinburgh. Unwrap the Christmas tree, enjoy the Christmas market, and slowly prepare for Christmas and plan for the new year ahead. Thank you all for watching and have a lovely Merry Christmas.